Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your headphones Sony earbuds. You have to start by open the application, now scroll down and click on device settings. Then go to system, and right here we have tab operation function, so click on the settings icon, and now let's work with the left earbud. By default we have playback control, but I prefer, you have a lot of options here, like volume control, select the song or voice assistant. I prefer volume control for it, so just click done, and after that click done again. Then again click to voice settings, go to the right one, and for the right one we have playback control, click on it, and I prefer select a song, click done, and click done again. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!